Hello, please check screen and my audio. If any, please give your valuable feedback regarding audio and screen. Okay, audio is okay, screen, everything. Okay, let us start the session. So we have been seeing, okay, Linux commands in Cloudera software. Next, we are going to do some copy operation. Today we are going to do some copy operation. Some copy operation. We have MNC directory. Okay, this is the directory structure we have been seeing. Okay, once again, I will show the directory structure. Now I am going to show the directory structure. Okay, so the whatever the files and folders we have, this is the directory structure. So in that directory structure, we created MNC directory, under that IT directory, under that marketing directory, under HR, okay, under HR, HR1, HR file 1 is created. Under MNC, we created, under MNC, we created IT directory, marketing directory, and HR directory. So under IT directory, we have created these files. Under marketing directory, we created M file, M file 1. Under HR directory, we created HR file 1. Like this, under each directory, we created those files. Yesterday, I have shown you how to remove the files also. Now, today we will see how to perform copy operation. How to perform copy operation. Now, what to be copied? Let us copy M file 1. Let us copy M file 1 from marketing directory to this IT directory. This IT directory. What is the task? Let us copy marketing file 1 from marketing directory to IT directory. That is the task. So for this, first of all, M file 1 is the source file. It is a source file. Destination directory is IT folder. Okay. For that, we have to go to marketing directory now. Marketing directory. So first MNC directory, under that marketing directory. If you see the list of files and folders, okay, you have already M file 1. You have M file 1. Okay. Now this M file 1 to be copied to IT directory. To be copied to IT directory. Then now I am giving the file, the command, CP command. CP stands for copy. CP stands for copy. That is, source file is M file 1. Destination directory is under root, home directory, under home directory, Cloudera directory, under Cloudera directory, MNC directory. Under MNC, we are going to copy to IT directory. After giving that, press enter key. Now you can see whether this M file 1 is copied into IT directory or not. Presently we are in marketing. Presently we are in marketing. Let us go to IT directory now. Let us go to IT directory. CD IT. Now see this. M file 1 is copied to M file 1 is copied to IT directory. M file 1 is copied to IT directory. This is how to perform copy operation. Copy operation is like a copy and paste operation. Copy operation is like copy and paste. That means copy from the source and pasted into the destination directory. That is the meaning. Let us perform move operation. Move. Okay. Move means cut and paste operation. Move means cut and paste operation. I'll show you that now. Let us move HR file 1. Let us move HR file 1 from HR directory to IT directory. Let us move HR file 1 from HR directory to IT directory. Moving means what? Cutting HR file 1 from HR directory and paste into IT directory. Okay? Cutting from HR directory, that is HR file 1 is cut from HR directory and paste to IT directory. Let us perform this. Okay. So HR file 1 is existed in HR directory. Let us go to HR directory, CD HR. Here HR file 1 is there. Let us move this HR file 1 to IT directory. So command is mv. Command is mv. What you are moving? HR file 1. HR file 1 to destination directory is what? Under root directory, under home directory, under Cloudera directory, under MNC directory, IT directories existed. To this it will move. Let us check. HR file 1 is moved to IT file or not, IT directory or not. First of all, in HR directory, file is not there. HR file 1 is not there. Why? It is moved to IT directory. So move means what? Cut and paste. That means HR file 1 is cut from HR directory and pasted into IT directory. Now let us go to IT directory. CD IT. Now let us display. See, HR1, HR file 1 is get pasted into IT directory. Okay. Like this you can perform move operation. You can also use move operation for renaming also. For renaming also. Okay. Let us use this move operation for renaming purpose. Okay. For renaming purpose. What I will rename? I want to rename HR file 1 as IT file 1. I want to rename HR file 1 as IT file 1. So command is mv. Old name is what? HR file 1. New name is what? IT file 1. Now it is renamed. Let us check. Is it renamed or not? See, HR file 1 is renamed as IT file 1. Okay. Like this, you can use mv command for renaming purpose also. So mv command is used for moving the files and directories and also renaming files and directories. Now let us perform some different operations. Observe here. Now let us establish. Concept name is establishing communication between client and server. Establishing communication between client and server. Okay, that is the topic name. If you observe, a a client can communicate to Hadoop by using PuTTY software. Okay, PuTTY software. PuTTY software is used to establish communication between client and Hadoop. So Hadoop is server. Hadoop is server. We are using Cloudera as a software for Hadoop. So what is server here? Cloudera is the server. Cloudera is the server. Okay. So for this, you have to observe one note. First install PuTTY software from Google. PuTTY software from Google. It's very easy to download. Now I am going to show how to download. In Google, simply type PuTTY. Simply type PuTTY. Then it will show you. Are observing, sir? Download PuTTY. It's a free software. Okay. After downloading, you will get this symbol. This is the icon which is created on your desktop. Okay. Observe the symbol also. Observe the icon. It is used to establish communication between client and server. So this icon is created on the desktop, on Windows desktop. Okay. So once you install, you will be seeing, observe sir, this one. Okay. Are you seeing this icon? PuTTY icon. This icon will come on the desktop, Windows desktop. Okay, sir. So here, client is PuTTY. Who is the client? PuTTY is the client. PuTTY is the client. Cloudera is the server. This Cloudera is the server. Okay, sir. Now, let us perform the steps. Let us perform the steps to establish the communication between client and server. Okay. I am writing steps now, sir. I am writing steps. Steps to establish communication between client and server. So here client is putty. Server is Cloudera. Server is Cloudera. Now I'm writing first step. Step 1. Start Cloudera. Start Cloudera. Now, step 2. In Cloudera, open terminal. Open terminal. Open terminal. So terminal means this one. This is the terminal. You have to click on this terminal. This is the terminal window. Okay. Now, in this terminal window, I'm writing next step. Once terminal is open, step 3. Step 3. In terminal, type. Okay. Type ifconfig ifconfig command. ifconfig command. So what is ifconfig? What is ifconfig? ifconfig stands for interface configuration. Interface configuration. Why this interface configuration? It gives you system IP address so that by using that address you can communicate to server. That means client has to know the address of the server first. Client has to know address of the server first. So client has to connect to IP address of the server. That's why ifconfig command is required. Now let us type that command. Let us type that command. ifconfig. That is the command. If you look at this, this is INET address of the server or IP address of the server. Internet address. Okay. So copy this one. Okay. You have to copy this address. So what is the next step? What is the next step? Step 4. Step 4. Copy that 192.168.142.131. Don't worry about these steps, sir. I will send all these steps to support@satyatech.com. You can take that notes from support@satyatech.com. So what is the fourth step? You have to copy that 192.168.142.131. Let us copy this one. Hmm. What is the next step? Step 5. Step 5. Step 5. I'm writing step 5 here, sir. Okay. Double click on putty. Double click on putty icon. Double click on putty icon on Windows desktop. On Windows desktop. Let us perform this step. Let us go to Windows desktop. This is Windows desktop. This is the putty icon. This is putty icon. You have to double click on this. This is putty window. This is putty window. Next, what is the step? What is the step? I am writing step 6. Step 6. Step 6. Now you have to paste. You have to paste what? That 192.168. Okay. 142.131. You have to paste into what text box? Host name text box. Host name text box. You have to paste into host name text box, and finally click on open button. Click on open button. Let us do this step. This is putty window. You have to paste that 192.168.142.131 in hostname text box. In hostname text box. Then click on the open button. Click on the open button. Now login window is open. What is open? Login window is open. So here you have to type Cloudera as a login name. What is that? Cloudera as a login name. So what is the 7th step? Typing Cloudera at login name. Next, it is asking password. It is asking password. Password is also Cloudera. Password is also Cloudera. After giving password, you can press enter key. If you observe, if you observe, see the Cloudera prompt. This is as it is like, okay, terminal prompt in the Cloudera. Observe, it is like this prompt or not? As it is like this prompt. As it is like this prompt. Same as it is like this prompt. So whatever the operations you perform at this prompt, same operations can be done can be done at putty also. At putty also. Okay, like ls command. Okay, so you can give ls hyphen l, ls hyphen l. It will display you long list of okay, files and folders. Like this, whatever the operations you performed in the terminal of Cloudera, same operations you can perform at this command prompt in this putty. Once you completed the operations, simply you can exit. You can type exit. So it is your exit from putty. Your exit from putty. Observe, sir, once again I am showing the steps. Once again I am showing the steps. Okay. First step is what? Starting Cloudera. Second step is what? Okay. Open the terminal. In this, you have to type ifconfig. Ifconfig command. Ifconfig stands for interface configuration. So what is interface configuration? It provides us, okay, server IP address and related port numbers and everything. So in this, we have to copy. In this, we have to copy this 192.168.142.131. This address we have to copy. So right click here, select copy option. Right click here, select copy option. Now what is the next step? Double click on putty. This putty is appearing on Windows desktop. So you have to double click on it. This is putty window. Here you have to paste it. So that 192.168 168.142.131 is pasted here. Next, you have to click on open button. You have to click on open button. Here it is asking login as. Here you have to type Cloudera. Cloudera is the username. It comes by default. And password is okay, same Cloudera. Password is same Cloudera. After giving password, press enter key. So this command prompt is as it is like it is as it is like in Cloudera. If you see terminal, so that prompt and this prompt both are same. That means what? Putty is connected to Cloudera. Putty is connected to Cloudera. Putty is a client. Here Cloudera is the server. In this Cloudera, what is running? Hadoop. Okay. So connection is established between the client and server. Between the client and server. Now you can perform operations from Putty. So first I performed list operation. Next we can perform list hyphen L. That means long list. See, you are able to see MNC directory. Okay, MNC directory. Let us go to MNC directory. Observe here. Let us display the directory structure of MNC. Home, Cloudera, MNC. See, directory structure is displayed. Same operations we have done in Cloudera. Okay. Let us perform simple operation. Let us perform simple operation. That is, let us copy this IT file 1 from IT directory to HR directory. What is the operation? Let us copy this IT file 1 from IT directory to HR directory. So let us go to IT directory now. CD IT. So in this IT, we have these two files, IT file 1 and M file 1. Okay, sir. Now task is what? Let us copy IT file 1 to HR directory. Now apply the command. What command we have to use for copy purpose? CP stands for copy. What you are copying? IT file 1. What you are copying? IT file 1 to which place you are copying, what is the destination, under root directory, under home directory, under Cloudera directory, under MNC directory to HR directory, to HR directory. Let us test whether it is copied or not. Let us display complete directory structure. Tree command, root directory, next home, next Cloudera, next MNC. Observe here, observe the difference between old directory structure and new directory structure. Observe this IT file 1 is copied into, okay, is copied into HR directory. Okay, so this IT file 1 is copied. Like this, you can perform as many operations as possible. Let us see, same thing is, let us see, same thing is done in the server or not. Let us see, same thing is done in server or not. So let us go to server, that is Cloudera. Observe here, let us give, okay, so tree, under root, under home, under Cloudera, under, that is MNC directory structure. Observe, same structure is appeared here. Now I am showing in the putty also. In the putty also, if you observe, see putty, same directory structure. That is same. This is also same. This is also same. So this is the way how to establish communication between Cloudera and putty. So try to practice all these commands, whatever I am teaching, because if you do more practice, then you will be familiar with all operations of Hadoop. Okay, so remaining things will be discussed in tomorrow's session. Thank you very much for attending Hadoop course. It is offered by Sathyatechnologies. Okay, it is #1 IT training institute in the world. I am CC Reddy and I am teaching Hadoop and Spark with Scala. Okay, this running notes, this daily notes is available at support@satyatech.com. We provide all services to you so that you will be having bright career in your life. Thank you very much once again. Have a good day.